The entire project is done in the Kali Linux, and this is terminal, and then we have all the files over here which can be executed, and this is a GUI part where it is integrated with the programs, and in that we are using this TensorFlow as a backend in the Keras, and this is a GUI representation of our project, and this is the input. As for the input, the current news is on Modi's Narendra's, and I have copied this input, a data which has to be summarized, and in the GUI part I have pasted that, and using any one of the 4 algorithms we can use this. And now I am giving a percentage as 30% based on frequency summarized. I want to summarize this, and based on frequency based, the summarized text is this, and based on text rank summarization, the summarized part is this, and based on page rank summarization, the above text will be converted into this, and the calculation behind the screens are over here. The entire text is put into statements, and then statements to word, and then to letters, and then given weights to each other, and then based on the weight, the weight of the sentence is calculated, and the importance of the sentence is calculated, and then it is given the priority and displayed over here. It's totally based on abstractive, extractive. There are totally 2 things, extractive and abstractive. This is performed based on extractive. Now I'll show the abstractive part where the own sentences are formed. These are the whole part of the things, and now we are doing this LSTM. This is Unicorn, where HTTP server, local server is there. So when it is created, the local server address is given, and this LSTM is the neural network thing, where all data, previous data is calculated and reserved, and importance is given, and the own sentences and the words are made. Now we are getting the worker timeout thing. So the local server is not working, and their warnings is just the warnings, and this LSTM is totally based on this abstractive summarization. And for this thing, as an input for this, I have given the Alice in the Wonderland text file, which consists of like 3,000 lines, and based on that, it summarizes and gives its own format. And as a training, whole book is given. For testing purpose, a seed, which means any input is given to that, and based on the seed, it summarizes thing and gives us the output. It needs a long time in the training process. You can see all the weight improvement thing, and it's HDF5 file where all the weights will be stored, and the performance will be stored, and if the process stopped in the middle, you can get the information from your previous thing, and you can get on with the training part. And this the output over here, it's passed from the HTTP server to the browser where in the JSON format, where seed will be the input and the result will be the output. And when you run this, you have to get the page where it consists of seed and result. So there you can see a seed and the result. So the seed is kind of a lines. The character count will be given in the code. Based on that, it picks a random seed, and it using this neural networks, it gives you the result. So this is how it works, and this can be shown in the GUI part also. And in the GUI part, open new tab and run the GUI, this LSTM saved in there. This is a whole project software. using TK enter, this GUI part is created. When you press this LSM, it gives a request to this HTTP server, and it gets the JSON file, and it reads the JSON file where the seed and the result will be there, and it takes the seed as an input to display and the result as an output, and displays in the GUI part. You can see over there, input is the seed and output is the LSTM output.